Bat Cave. Operating hours. We are here sa Bat Cave. 120 pesos for adult. Guinness certificate. These are the types of bats. Nilang maternity or mating area. Yeah. Ano? Kita mo, wala na sa kilid. Hugas niya. Nilang training ground. Male ward. Male ward. Nilang senior ward. Medyo smelly juga siya. Every afternoon kay magawas daw ang mga bats. So, dito sila magtuyok-tuyok.